I'm gonna show you how to download voice from Murf AI. So to get started, you have to open any browser and then search Murf AI. And from there, you have to scroll down and find the Murf AI, Murf.ai. So you have to click on it. And after that, it will redirect you to their homepage. So all you have to do is just log in if you have an account or just sign up using your Google account. So I'm going to use Google here. So once you log in with your Google, it will redirect you to the homepage of Murf.ai. So from here, how to download is you just have to create a new project. So all you have to do is just click on the black icon right here. And then after that, you just have to click the create project. And then you just have to rename it. I'm gonna rename mine to sample and then create project. And then once there, you just have to input the script if that you want. For me, I'm going to type how to download voice on Murf AI. And I'm going to click the play button so that I can have a preview, or you can change the voice by clicking this ruby here. And there's a lot of choices here. You can use male or female voices. And after that, you just have to click export button to select the format of your audio voice. So you just have to click anything that you want, and then after that you're done. And if you would want to get unlimited downloads, you have to upgrade your plan to their selected plan. So that's it.